While it's not always a good idea to hide your emotions, there are times when it's necessary to put on a happy face, even if you don't really feel it. To act happy, start with a smile. Practice smiling with your eyes as well as your mouth to make it look and feel more sincere. When you're talking to others, make eye contact and maintain an upright, open posture. Avoid crossing your arms or looking down, and keep your chin up and your back straight. You can also temporarily lift your mood by thinking about things that make you laugh or smile, listening to upbeat music, or taking a break to do something you enjoy. If you're talking to someone else, keep the conversation positive and steer clear of upsetting topics. You can always excuse yourself and end the conversation if it starts to become too difficult.